Welcome back, everybody. Ready for another deep dive?
Always.
Awesome. Today, we're looking at Catizen, CAT, the crypto token.
Okay.
It's in the Toncoin ecosystem, making a splash. We want to see if it's worth your time. We've got some data from CoinMarketCap and all the social media chatter. Think you're ready to dive in?
Let's do it.
Sweet. So, first off, what exactly is Catizen? I keep hearing tap to earn gaming token, but I don't quite get it.
Yeah, tap to earn is pretty interesting, actually. Like, imagine you're playing a game, right?
Mm-hmm.
And you get rewards that you can actually use in real life.
Mm-hmm.
That's basically Catizen. It uses the TON blockchain, which is like super fast and it can handle a ton of stuff. It was originally from Telegram. Did you know that?
Oh, wow. So it's not just like virtual gold or points, it's actual crypto you're earning. That's wild.
Hmm.
And this TON blockchain that's connected to Toncoin, right, which has been popping up everywhere lately.
Exactly. Toncoin is like the main cryptocurrency for TON. And yeah, there's been a huge jump in transactions lately.
Yeah.
Catizen being part of that, it's riding the wave.
Makes sense. So let's get down to it. CoinMarketCap is saying, as of today, November 12th, 2024, Catizen is at 0.3877 in the rankings. But what really blew my mind, the 24-hour trading volume. $156.52 million.
Yeah, and that's crazy because that volume is actually bigger than its market cap, which is only at $108.84 million right now.
Wait, hold on. Higher trading volume than the whole market cap. What does that even mean? That's got to be rare, right?
Oh, totally. Market cap, it's like the total value of all the Catizen tokens out there. So the fact that the trading volume, like how much Hatties is changing hands in a day, is higher. That's huge EE. It means people are really into it. This volume market cap ratio, it's at 141.51%. That's nuts. Could be day traders, bots, taking advantage of the ups and downs, or it could be people getting ready for stuff coming up like those token unlocks we'll talk about.
So lots of action, but also Catizen's price has been all over the place lately. Didn't it hit like an all-time high a couple months back?
Yep. It hit $1.11 back in September. Makes today's price look kind of small, but it's also a 50.01% jump from its all-time low just 9 days ago. Crazy, right?
Crypto, man. Always a roller coaster. But even with all that, people seem pretty positive about Catizen.
Oh, yeah. The data shows most of the community is super bullish, like 78% optimistic versus only 22% bearish.
Interesting. Okay, so we got this tap to earn thing, riding the Toncoin wave, lots of trading, and good vibes all around. What about the tokenomics? How does KDI's supply actually work?
All right, so this is where it gets kind of tricky. Catizen has a token unlock schedule. Basically, a bunch of the total supply, like 61.82% of it, is still locked up.
Locked up, meaning it can't be traded. So what happens when it's unlocked?
You got it. And those unlocks, they can really shake up the market. More tokens available can mean the price goes down. Imagine suddenly there's a zillion more bananas in the world, the price of bananas is going to drop, right?
Ah, so those unlocks could explain why the price is bouncing around so much?
Definitely something to keep in mind. Zooming out to the whole crypto market, things are pretty volatile in general, like $840 million in liquidations recently. Crypto's not for the faint of heart.
Tell me about it. But for those brave souls, what are the experts saying? I heard something about Bernstein telling people to get into crypto.
Yeah. Bernstein, they're a big asset management firm, and they're basically saying, get into crypto ASP. They must believe in it long term, even with all the risk.
Wow, coming from a firm like that, that's a big deal. Adds to the whole crypto is here to stay feeling. What's driving that confidence, though? What are people saying about Bitcoin and all the other altcoins?
Social media is buzzing, man. Some folks think Bitcoin's about to go on a massive bull run, predicting huge price jumps. Same for ETH and SOL, some are saying.
And even big companies are joining in, right? Was there something about a NASDAQ company accepting Bitcoin as payment?
Absolutely. A Chinese company listed on NASDAQ, they're taking Bitcoin now. That's a big step towards, like, everyone using crypto,
Yeah.
More confidence in the whole thing.
So you got this overall crypto optimism, and then there's Catizen, the tap-to-earn token, tons of trading, big unlocks on the horizon. Makes you wonder, is this rising tide going to lift Catizen too?
That's the million-dollar question, isn't it? We got to look at what makes Catizen special, its potential in the gaming world, and how all of this fits into the crazy world of crypto. It's a wild ride.
That it is. Catizen is just one piece of the puzzle. Stay with us as we try to put it all together.
It's crazy how Catizen fits into this whole blockchain gaming thing. It's not just about, like, getting crypto. It's changing how we see games.
Yeah. This tap-to-earn thing could really shake things up. Imagine gamers making a living just by playing games. Is that actually possible?
Maybe. Think about the metaverse. It's growing so fast. Virtual worlds, virtual economies, Catizen and its tap to earn. They fit right in.
So it's not just playing on your phone anymore. It's like living in these worlds, earning crypto, maybe even building a whole digital life. Mind-blowing.
Exactly. It makes you think, what happens to gaming as we know it? Do these tap-to-earn things like Catizen become the standard?
That's a big question. And if they do what happens to the value of tokens like Catier? Do they shoot up as the metaverse gets bigger and more people play?
It's possible, but remember, this whole blockchain gaming metaverse thing, it's early days, things change fast, new stuff pops up, good and bad.
Exciting times, but gotta be realistic too. What are the risks? Investing in crypto, especially something new like Catizen, can't be all good.
Well, for sure. Volatility is huge GE, like we've seen with the price swings, and those token unlocks coming up could make things even crazier.
So when those locked up tokens become available, price could go up, could go down. Nerve-wracking.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Don't forget, what we see of Caddy right now, that's just a small part of the total. More gets unlocked, the whole market changes.
So someone's listening to this, thinking about investing in Catizen. What do they do? What's your advice?
Research. Don't jump in just because of hype. Understand the project, the people behind it, the tech, how it could grow.
Don't just buy the hype. Look under the hood, right?
Exactly. And the bigger picture matters too. What's Bitcoin doing? Ethereum, the whole market feeling, up or down, it all matters.
Like checking the weather before you go hiking, right? Gotta know what you're getting into.
Perfect analogy. Speaking of, remember those social media posts we talked about that give you a feel for what people are thinking?
Right. Everyone's bullish on Bitcoin, predictions for ETH, SOL going up, that NASDAQ company taking Bitcoin. Sounds good.
It does, but remember, social media can be like an echo chamber. Good to balance that excitement with some caution. Do your own research too.
Okay, so much to think about. Catizen, Toncoin, the whole crypto market, this tap to earn and metaverse stuff,
I
overwhelming.
know it's a lot,
Yeah,
but that's why we're here, breaking it down, pointing out what's important, helping you understand.
for sure. So back to Catizen, market, tokenomics, potential. What are the big takeaways? What should our listeners be thinking about?
The biggest thing, Catizen is in blockchain gaming, and that has huge potential. Tap to earn could change everything. And being on TON, with all that's happening there, that's interesting.
But any investment, especially crypto, gotta remember the risks. Volatility is normal. Those unlocks could make it wilder.
Finding that balance right, the good and the bad. Research is key. Don't follow the hype. Understand what you're putting your money into. Make smart choices.
So wrapping up our Catizen deep dive, big question. Is this really the future of gaming? Earning crypto just by playing sounds almost too good, you know?
It's a big idea, that's for sure. And Catizen's in a good spot, part of Toncoin,
Yeah.
which is already growing like crazy.
And tap to earn, that could change everything. Right now we're paying for stuff in games. What if we were earning instead?
That's the potential. Imagine gamers making a living from what they love. Pretty powerful.
But risks too, like we talked about. Crypto goes up and down. Those token unlocks could make things even wilder.
Absolutely. Got to be careful with any investment, especially in crypto. Do your homework. Don't just follow the hype. Understand it all.
So for everyone listening, what's the takeaway? What should you be thinking about with Catizen and this whole tap to earn thing?
Here's the thing. Catizen, it's an interesting project, lots of potential in a sector that's about to explode. Tap to earn could change gaming forever, and being connected to Toncoin is a big plus.
But any investment, especially crypto, there are risks. Ups and downs are normal, and those unlocks could make things even crazier.
So do your research, know the risks, see both sides, the good and the bad. Crypto's always changing, got to stay informed to make it in this world.
Lots to think about today. But as we wrap up on Catizen, one final thought. What if tap to earn does become the standard? Could Catizen, with everything it's got going on, be the token for gamers everywhere? Something to consider as you explore this whole world.
Keep learning, keep asking questions, keep diving deep. Gaming, the metaverse, it's all happening right now. Exciting time to be a part of it.